Welcome to the Driefcase Connect tutorial video. In today's video we will show you how you can create e-prescriptions for your patients. Let's get started. About issuing an e-prescription on Driefcase Connect, first you will need to set up a few details in the settings menu. You need to choose if you are planning to use a letterhead of your own or a Driefcase Connect layout. In case of the Driefcase Connect layout, you can choose the layout of your e-prescription including your clinic logo and a scanned copy of your signature, which are not mandatory. Also, in the prescription settings, you can set up your frequently used combinations of prescription medicines as well as diagnostic tests for various cases for your practice. Now let's get to issuing an e-prescription. An e-prescription can be issued from the patient queue or the patient health card itself. Simply click on the RX icon to get started. Our e-prescription module is divided into 3 parts. First, clinical notes. Here you can add the patient's complaints, your observations and diagnosis. Alongside these you can also add parameters that you may track for your patients. For example, a cardiologist may want to note the heart rate and blood pressure of his patients in each visit. On the right side, besides the complaint box, you will see a button with a downward arrow. This retrieves your last fill details for that particular patient in your last e-prescription issued to him. Moving on to the second module is the investigations that you may want to prescribe. You can simply type out the test, leave any comments if necessary and press add to see the list build up on the right. Our e-prescription is intelligent and it will remember your 5 most frequently used tests in the bottom left side. Also, you can choose a combination from the drop-down menu on the right side. These were created from the settings menu again. You can also retrieve your last fill details for that particular patient in your last e-prescription issued to him with the click of a button. Lastly, the third module, medications. You can add the details of each of the medications to be issued to the patient and press add to see the list build up on the right. We have preloaded more than 1 lakh medications on Driefcase Connect so that we can make it easier for you. Again, our prescription will remember your 5 most frequently used medications in the bottom left side. You can also choose a combination from the drop-down menu on the right side. In the remarks box, you can add non-medication instructions to the patient such as complete bed rest for 3 days. Below that you can set in a reminder for the next appointment. This will be for the doctor via email and the patient via text message. Simply save and print and your e-prescription is ready for future reference. You can retrieve it from the patient's documents. Congratulations, you are now ready to create an e-prescription for your patients.